and gentlemen, welcome back to Kingmaker Trading. First of all, let me apologize for not posting a video past 2 weeks. I was preoccupied with some other work, so that's why I did not post videos last 2 weeks. However, this week I'm gonna give you the weekly analysis for 11th to 15th of November 2019 based on advanced pattern trading technique. Alright guys, so this is the first pair that we are going to be looking at this week, which is Euro Yen. And as you can see, I have already pointed out a nice butterfly pattern formation in this Euro Yen pair. Okay, so what I'm expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the downside like this. So there is a possibility that this market could push back up into this highlighted zone right here and then push right into this green line. So these green lines are the profit objectives of this pattern. So you should take partial profits out of the trade in these green lines. So this is the movement that I'm expecting out of Euro Yen this week. So now let's move on to our next pair, which is Pound Dollar. Alright, so as you can see, I have already pointed out a nice butterfly pattern formation in this Pound Dollar pair as well. And as you can see, as the confirmation, we got a nice double top pattern formation at this point as well. So combined these two patterns, we can use this double top as the entry confirmation for this butterfly pattern formation. So as you can see, we have already got the entry confirmation for this trade. So what I'm expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the downside like this. So there is a possibility that this market could move a little bit to the upside until this point and then move into the downside. So why did I say that it would stop at this point? That is, if I place a horizontal line at this level, you can see that it is a previously respected structure level. So that's why I'm expecting that this market could turn back at this point if it pushes to the upside. Alright, so this is the movement that I'm expecting out of Pound Dollar this week. So now let's move on to our next pair, which is Gold Dollar. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have multiple pattern formations in Gold Dollar this week. Alright, so before we get into the analysis of this pair, let me show you the hidden treasure of trading. If you are wondering what is this is the ultimate guide for profitable pattern trading, the book that I have written in order to teach you guys how to profitably trade advanced patterns. So you can go back and see to my channel how profitable this trading strategy really is, how big profits that I have generated throughout this year based on this advanced pattern trading technique. So if you are interested in becoming a successful trader, so this will be the final stop of your learning curve. Alright, so this book contains everything that you will be needing in order to become a successful pattern trader. Alright, as you can see, it starts from absolute basics and systematically and step by step takes you into advanced pattern trading. So if you are interested in getting a copy of this book, click the link in the description so you can take your trading journey into the next level. Alright, so now let's move on to our analysis. Alright, so we were talking about the gold dollar pair, and as you can see, I have pointed out two advanced pattern formations in this pair. Okay, the smaller Gartley pattern and this big Gartley pattern. All right, so what I'm expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the upside like this, because we got this smaller Gartley pattern, and then a movement to the downside like this. So this is the most probable movement that I'm expecting out of this pair this week. Alright, first respecting the smaller pattern, then completing this larger Gartley pattern. Alright, so that is the movement that I'm expecting out of this pair this week. So if this market pushes down to this small highlighted zone, then this smaller Gartley pattern will be violated and it will turn into a small butterfly pattern. So then we can expect the same movement as this. Alright, okay, so if both of these small patterns fail, then what I'm expecting is this market to push down to this large highlighted zone, which will be the completion area of this larger Gartley pattern, and then move into the upside. Alright, so for the profit objectives of these patterns, you can use a Fibonacci retracement from the A point of the pattern to the D point of the pattern and take out partial profits at the major Fibonacci retracement levels. Alright, so that is the movement that I'm expecting out of gold dollar this week. And our next this week is silver dollar. So this is the first time that I'm giving you an analysis of silver in this channel. So let's see how this plays out. Alright, as you can see, we got a harmonic movement completing at this silver dollar pair, and this is also can be called a lightning bolt or an ABCD pattern. Alright, so this highlighted zone right here is the completion point, the pattern completion point that I'm expecting to see some sort of buy signal. Alright, so first of all, what I'm expecting is this market to push little bit to the downside like this, and as you can see, we got some sort of structure resistance at this point. So this could easily turn into a structure support. Alright, so then what I'm expecting is some sort of entry signal inside this highlighted zone, a high close candle or candlestick pattern, or a simple chart pattern, something like that. And then I will enter this pair to go long, while my targets will be at these green lines. So it will be a great trading opportunity if it plays out as we planned. Alright, so now let's move on to our final prediction of the week, which is Canadian yen. And as you can see, this pair has produced a picture perfect butterfly sell pattern, and as you can see, we already got the entry confirmation with this candle, a low close candle, as you can see, and we got some sort of retracement to the upside back to this structure level. So what I'm expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the downside like this. Alright, so there is a possibility that this market could move up back into this highlighted zone, and then we can look for some sort of entry signal inside that highlighted zone. Then we can enter this market to go short while our targets being at these green lines. So that is the movement that I'm expecting out of Canadian yen this week, and that is the weekly analysis for this week. So if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share this video Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about my analysis, and what you guys think that I should improve, and what I should add to this channel to make it better and make it useful, more useful to you guys. So let me know in the comment section and I will reply to your comments. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to stay connected to the weekly educational trading content I produce. Alright, so let's meet in the next video. You're gonna be an amazing trader.